Eventually.
Oh my god, what the fuck is he doing? What is he doing? It's fucking crazy. He's crazy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you trying to stay on the white line? Smoked me. We can't hear. I can't get on the interstate.
I forgot about that.
Yeah, I'll fucking die. Especially that interstate. Out of all interstates, they go like 90.
My buddy Justin tried to ride the interstate with it. It was funny. You know if you use GPS on Google Maps, just choose a route that'll avoid interstates and take you highways.
Yeah, that's. I had a phone mount here, but it broke. Yeah, mine snapped off. I did a wheelie and it fucking flew off.
This one broke like Monday.
Oh. Huh?
We passed my mom right there.
Really?
She was staring at it, I was like, hey!
Yeah, you passed me. You fucking flew.
What?
You fucking flew past those guys. My bike can't do that shit.
You gotta push it.
Yeah, I'll fucking tuck.
Well, what about Papa Wheelie?
Yeah, mine can. I can do that. Oh, lordy. Dun, dun, dun. I want to get a Senna. Did you fucking straight pipe that thing?
Close enough.
What the fuck is... I can't hear myself even process. It's louder than this. This is like the loudest pipe you can get besides fucking straight piping. Then it wouldn't be a muffler, it'd just be...
It was straight pipe, and then I got annoyed of it because it was too loud. Like, way too loud. And so I bought this little thing.
That thing's loud as hell.
And it's so cool. I mean, just...
That's fucking so loud.
When we're going to hit the bridge.
That car's like a mile from the line. Like, no, actually, what the fuck?
I don't want to get in that lane now.
Wait, where are we going? Do you know, like, which way are we heading? Do we have an agenda? Are we getting Taco Bell or some shit? It didn't work. I tried to fucking...
My tire was square.
I need a new tire.
Yeah, you do.
I've ridden almost 4,000 miles on this.
6,248. Hey, we're gonna go to the Captain City big parking lot and head back to Taco Bell.
Alright.
So,
What are you doing?
get in that lane.
Oh my god. Blinkers on!
So I'm gonna be really obnoxious really quick.
You're gonna what?
Be really obnoxious.
Unconscious.
Obnoxious.
How are you gonna be obnoxious?
What?
Let's get out before they kill us.
I need those.
It's really nice when you got a handbrake too.
So do I.
No, I got a hand. No, I mean like for the rear tire.
Where's your clutch thing?
Right here.
Oh, that's cool.
So when you're doing stand-ups, you still have a brake.
Can you hear? What happened to your other mirror?
I gotta get a better mirror, because if I drop it on this, it's gonna fucking snap off.
My buddy Justin has the same mirror. And he laid it over his dog, broke his front light and his mirror off.
Yeah, this one, it just flew off for no reason. I was literally going down the road and it just chunked off. I was like, well, there goes one.
I am the Leviathan. This starts with a violent end. It's Clash of the Titans, then the sky collapsing. I relax the abstract. Nah, motherfucker, when I silence them. I'm tune it back, I'm soon to snap and view you. Rap humans as stupid bastards. Actually useless cats and moving past you. Soon you'll be doomed to act. I learned the truth is false, so burn the few that learned it too, then walk home. Sympathy. For the race of men, I have none. Other niggas ain't shit to me. Bits and pieces of shit and it's 6 degrees. What's left of the rappers who are pissed to me? Never been a paraplegic, amputee, defeated, so I guess all that's left is victory. Damn right. Bring heat in the 6 degrees. There any other nigga try and bitch at me? I walked in, white shirt, black face, no heart, and I left that bitch with a crimson tee.